Namaste. Welcome to Green Living Path. It's Alyogi here. In this crazy world, we need to have techniques to center ourselves each day, to set our vibration so that we actually have this flow state that people call it. Now, what science has come up with in studying the brain, there's 4 different types of brain frequencies. But there's actually a 5th stage that's been discovered only recently with studies of Buddhist monks. They've and what Buddhist monks do with this particular 5th state, and this is towards the end of this video. I'm going to give you a technique you can use each day to transform the vibration and to set the flow state each day so that you're resonating with a very high vibration. And it's a very simple technique. So the 4 major brainwave states that your brain's got is you've got alpha, beta, theta, and delta. So those are the 4 brainwave states, and they have different effects on your whole nervous system and all the cells in your body. But there's a 5th state, and it's called gamma frequency. And that is a particularly high frequency vibration, and Buddhist monks that have been doing years and decades, in some cases lifetimes, can get into, and they can heal their body, they can slow down aging, they can resonate at super consciousness, they can retain memory, they can do all these amazing things. But gamma state frequency is that high, very high frequency. And as Albert Einstein said, because I've got a science background, is that everything's energy, guys. And we want to be resonating at our highest frequency each day in this crazy world, particularly now in the Kali Yuga, which I've talked about. We want to have this centering technique we can use every day that actually activates each cell and resonates in our brain. Now, in our brain, we've got a pituitary gland. It's towards in the center of the brain, and it's like a pine cone. It's basically got little rhomboid crystals in it, and it's a transmitter and receiver of energy into the field, back in, out, back in, back out. And what's happening is this gamma frequency gives a deep, like a frequency of a low, very low vibration, like a whale sound in the ocean. And this isn't crazy, guys, by any means, because the military use that very low vibration in submarines because it can travel through a huge distance of ocean. And also, whales know when they send out the frequency, it travels a very long distance as well. Same with this high frequency gamma frequency. It has a huge, a very low frequency, 0.1 hertz, 0.01 hertz, not even 1 hertz, and it sends out this very low resonance into the field, and it has a huge effect on your whole body, guys. So it's something that is quite dear to my heart, and I practice it, and it's actually helped set my intention for the day, puts me in the flow state, and gives me this. And it also affects all the cells in the body, this centering technique, and it really helps you each day. You can do it in the evenings before you go to sleep. You can do it in the mornings particularly, and in the evenings. It keeps you in resonance in this flow state. Now, how it works is you've got your heart and your brain, and they both are both communicating. Your heart is not logical. It's got neurons in it. It's been discovered. And you've also got neurons in your stomach. But we'll just stick to the heart and the brain, which has obviously got neurons in. And they're constantly communicating. The brain has the ability to analyze logic and to look at past, present, future, even though on a quantum physics level there's only one state. So how it actually works is what you want to be doing is to set the frequency. There's a mantra called Om, and that the Om sound is a universal sound that was emitted when there was just consciousness, blackness, and that helped condense matter and form the universe. So it's very powerful. What Om does is actually lifts your frequency, and that's why you hear a lot of mantras that have Om in it. So we're going to use the word Om, and we're going to put our hand in shamanic traditions, the Mayans and other cultures in the world. They know the heart is powerful, so they put their hand palm over. This is the technique, guys. Put your palm over the heart chakra, Anahata chakra, and you can put your palm on your forehead where your third eye is. And what you do is you just close the eyes gently, and this will get you resonating. So do it a few times. It's not crazy. It's actually been monitored by scientific electrocephalograms and stuff like that. So it's been studied that it actually produces this particular gamma frequency. So we're going to do some breathing and Om, and we're going to connect to that frequency and drop into that frequency. And then what that does is puts a ripple effect through your whole energy field and sets that vibration going and gets you into this flow state and gets you away from the lower vibrations that this crazy world's trying to pull you into: fear, anxiety, depression, and also lack of focus and awareness. So putting your hand over your heart, putting your hand on your forehead, guys. Close your eyes and then just follow me. Take a nice deep breath in. Om. Another breath in. Om. Another breath in. Om. Another breath in, guys. Om. Another breath in. Keep going. Don't give up. Om. Okay, so that's just a taste of it, but you can do it for quite a few minutes. What it does is I can feel it in my heart chakra, anahata, and my forehead. I can feel the resonance coming through. Now this is, afterwards you feel quite a clearing. Now when you're doing it, just do it with a relaxed mode, really relaxed, taking the breath in and then Om over the heart chakra and the forehead, and then just relax into it. Don't judge yourself. Don't get caught in the fear or am I doing this correctly, any of that. Just take another deep breath in and just keep doing it till you feel this vibration and then come out of that and just check. You'll feel a little bit clearer, like things have cleared. You've got more clarity. Your mind actually is very clear. There's not the jumble of thoughts coming and going. During the day, there's so many thoughts. Roughly, there's over 40,000 a day we're thinking, coming and going, coming and going, coming and going. But this actually helps clear that. And it's also sets a ripple effect through all the cells in your energetic energy field, and it helps you center yourself and remain more focused and have more of a, what would you say, like a, just a flow. You're in this flow effect. So it really helps you lift your vibration, and it's one of the things you can do in conjunction with meditating, yoga, pranayama, and this technique here is very important to get into gamma frequency, and that's the fifth stage. It's actual super consciousness, and it really helps you grow and lift your vibration every day. So it's about increasing your amount of vibration every day so that you lift yourself from the, most people are in fear-based, trying to beat somebody or make money, and they're in this competition. You want to lift yourself from the anxiety and fear and work on this level here, and then things will come a lot easier to you. You'll be a lot more centered. And you can use this too, this when you're feeling anxiety, say something's not working out, you can just sit down in a quiet place and do it. Don't worry about the judgment. Don't worry about, is this normal? It's actually freeing you from your thoughts and from your ego, guys. So it's really important to implement this. So boop subscribe if you enjoyed it, and I've got a link in the bio too that you can do for the microbiome, which actually is another key, is transforming your third brain. I've been through the whole course and changed my whole microbiome. So it's awesome to have everybody here. Green Living Path. This is Alyogi. Lots of love, everybody.